Hey guys, Angelo here again. Today I finally have time to get that little monster that I got yesterday and put it here on my little workbench or desk, whatever. And let's see what is inside and if I can use that case for what I was expecting. My initial plan was to find a really nice new beige case like that. But unfortunately, I've been looking around on marketplaces close by. I'm here in South Florida, and I could not find anything at all. I checked on eBay, and I see some cases that looks like was a joke, broken, cracked, all scratched all over the place. People asking 7,500 bucks on those cases plus shipping. I said no, no way. So like I said, yesterday I was home boring, and I said, I'll just get in the car, drive around, and see what I can find around. And as you guys saw in the short video, I went to that store, and the first thing I saw when I got to the section of electronics was that case. It was like that, with my name on it. I said, no, can't be. When I looked at the price, I said, wow, I didn't even think. I just grabbed it and put in the cart. 10 bucks, 999. I can't believe I'm looking for those for a long time. Today I was home. I said, I just go out and try to find something really nice. I just got here on the store and look what I found. And there's something inside. I don't know yet what it is, but for $10, oh boy, I love it. The initial plan. I have few older boards, and especially one I think is a Pentium 2 or a Pentium 3. I think it's a Pentium 3, 500 megahertz. And I have a Sound Blaster 64. I have some video cards, and I have a Voodoo 2 card. And that was my main goal, to get a nice and funny machine to keep around or maybe resell to get funds to another projects that I'm working on it. And but okay, that's the plan. So let's stop to talking and just see what is inside that case. All right, and that's the case. Was only one screw on the side here. I took that screw already. And oh, it even has an Amazon gift code inside here. And also a username and password. Well, username is Adam and the password is Eve. Nice. Maybe that machine can escape from the paradise. Okay, inside looks clean. 80 gigabytes hard drive. Yeah, that one will not be used. And a good thing, that one has a ID. This is that a CD-ROM? Oh, it's a DVD-R. And the front is black. I think I may need to replace that one too, because I don't think by that time we even had like a DVD-ROMs. So I have a couple IDE white face CD-ROMs, and I'm gonna install one here. And like I said, what I have here, oh, DDR2, that's a newer machine. Yeah, even that's, I know that's a newer board. Probably is a Celeron or something here. But looks like that machine was really good for the time. I see one PCI Express 16X and one, two, three, 1X PCI Express and three PCI connectors on that. Four slots for her RAM. Okay, let's connect on here and see what is on that machine. I need power, power, power. I have a power cable on here. Oh, and let's cross our fingers and see if it works. And so far looks like, just get the screen a little bit higher so we can see when it boots up. I don't know if you guys can see on there, but there's a Linux Mint on it. Ah, there's Linux on it. And looks like it's working. And I hope that's the password for it. Well, it just looked like they removed the password on it. Linux Mint 1702 Rafaela. Oh, that's like, how long is that old? I think so. We are on the Linux 23 or 24 already. I'm not sure. I'm not so on Linux. Yeah, but came out clean. Hmm. 80 gigabytes. Yep. Hard drive. All right. I'm not gonna waste my time because I'm gonna discard all those things anyway. Uh, let's see what exactly is that machine. It's an Intel board, as you guys can see it. Intel Core 2 Quad Q6700 with 4 gigabytes of RAM. Well, I may use that board on another project, but my main project, like I said right now, I'm gonna go to my storage in a few minutes, and I gonna grab my older boards, video cards, and whatever else I needed to build that old machine. And in that case, they look, when I saw it first, they looks really bad, but looking right now, yeah, they have some scratches here and here, but mostly it's dusty and like dirty itself. I think so after I really good clean, that machine will come out really good. Yeah, and sad that machine didn't came with any other extra boards. I was hoping I will be really happy if had some external audio cards and video cards on it, but just basic. And like I said, again, is a Q6700 Quad 2, a 2 quad. So just get that thing all take it out, and I will be back later on when I start to really work on that project. But at least for now, yeah, I think it was really good for 999, 10 bucks, and after 20% discount, 8 bucks. I think so is an unbeatable price. for a case and for all those things inside here. Alright guys, so just a short video to see what was inside that case. Anyway, right here is a 460 watts power supply, which I think is more than enough to get that old Pentium 3 or Pentium 2, I'm not sure, is a slot 1, up and running. And here also I have a 10 gigabytes hard drive that maybe I can use it on that project. Let me see if I can connect that hard drive on here and see what I have on that hard drive. I have no idea. That thing is been was sitting on my storage for a while, so I don't think it's working. Let's just try it here and see. Oh yes, that is the thing. Which you come like situation. Uh, I think the hard drive. Let us BIOS reset and clean up. Okay, I think that would have some here. BIOS. I don't see where is the reset. Oh, just version. Reframe. Wow. This is here. Right here, there's a manual that says, there's a panel. Right here, there's various manual configuration. Let's do this. Yeah, there we go. Here we go. Hit power. Let's just start back and position on. So this is the device, whenever you want to on, and okay. You want to see the separation? There's nothing. Yes. No. No. Yes. No. Okay.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, so that's the video. For now I'm gonna cut some parts on it, but looks like the most important, I have the case, the power supply. That's what matters for me right now. And I think I found the perfect drive for that machine. And even with the loud wing noise. Alright guys, so that's all. And again, like I said, looks like good. It's just dusty and some stuff here. I think so after a good cleaning, that case will be a lot better. And I think I have my project for the weekend. So guys, that's all for now, and see you in the next one. Bye.